Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to erase objects and Snapseed. Here's a clear step-by-step guide for erasing unwanted objects and Snapseed. First, install and open Snapseed. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Now, launch the app. Import your photo. Tap the plus or open button. Select the photo with the object you want to erase by tapping on it. Access Tools. At the bottom menu, tap on Tools. Select Healing Tool. From the Tools list, tap Healing, the eraser-like icon. Zoom into the object. Pinch the zoom on the area where the unwanted object is located. This makes it easier to work precisely. Adjust screen for precision. Position or zoom further the object clearly and the center for easier control. Start erasing. Use your finger to tap or draw over the object you want to remove. Check the result. Snapseed automatically fills the erased area with nearby pixels. If the result looks good, continue. If not, undo it. Use undo or redo if needed. Tap the arrow icons at the top or bottom to undo or redo your last action. Zoom out to review. Pinch out to see how the edit looks on the full photo. Repeat for other objects. If more objects need erasing, zoom in again and repeat the process. Fine-tune with healing. For small leftover marks, carefully tap or swipe with a lighter touch. Once done, tap on the check mark. Save your edited photo. Tap Export. Choose Save. Save a copy, or export to finish.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.